Then I have one blog entry now. Okay, and if I come back to here, okay, I have the same here. We have the index of entries here. Okay, and this is the date of the entry. It's new, and it is done by this student. I can comment also, and any student, for example, also I will come back as another student now. I will log out and enter as another student, and I can comment the entry of our student. Yes, please, another question. Oh, okay. Okay, there is difference between blogs and discussion forum in the way that there is no restrictions like the discussion forum. Okay. Discussion forum, it has restrictions for the post, for the, as you can see, teacher can control the post, but for the blogs, no, the teacher, he cannot control the posts. This is a big difference here, okay, between a forum and a blog, okay? And it's a way of discussion, okay? It's a way of discussion. And the difference between a forum and a blog here, as you can see that in a blog, you cannot prevent the student from posting, okay? And in a forum, the student cannot delete his posts, okay? But for the blogs, he can edit, delete the post if you give him the permission. And he can also give here comment for another student, okay? And I will enter his and another student here. This is the only difference. They are similar, I agree with you, but in a way, a blog, this is the blogs, okay, children blog, okay, we have one entry here, new, and okay, the student, he is like the instructor now, they are on the same level, okay, then the discussions there is opened, and the student, he can comment another student, okay, and he can comment and add, he can add comment. We have here one comment. Okay, what he can do is to delete his own comment, okay, he can delete his own comment, he can delete, I have approved that, okay, delete, but he cannot delete the comment of others only, and he cannot delete the entry of others, it is not permitted, okay. And he can add an entry, this is another student, he can create a new entry. For example, children communication. Okay, he got another blog entry here. Okay, and as a student, this is another entry. Okay, and post entry. and it doesn't need any approval. Now I have two in the index. We have two entries. All course members. Then this is the student who had blog entries here. Okay. Then I have two blogs here. Okay. What I can do here as a student, I can delete my own entries, but I cannot delete the other entries. Okay. It is not permitted here. Okay. I can only comment and read. I can, as a student, I can delete my own entries, but I cannot delete the other entries. Now, I have to grade the blog here. It is not graded till now, as in my grade, if I come back to my grade, okay, in my grade, I have children development, and it's a blog here, and it's not graded, needs a grading. Okay. Now, as an instructor, I will blog, grade the blog here. Then I will go to course tools and needs a grading from Grade Center. Needs a grading. Okay, I have two students to grade their blogs. Then I have two blogs here. Blogs entry, I have to grade all. In the same way, like any discussion forum, I would grade the entry. This is his entry. Then what I will get is only his entry. I will put a grade here directly. I will use the discussion rubric here. Good, fair, good, fair, and save rubric. And he will get 6.5. And I can click on submit. I will grade another student now. Also, I have his entry. I will read the entry and I will grade using the discussion rubric. Good, 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 and save. He gets 7.5, and I will click on submit. In this way, I have finished grading the blogs. Okay. It's then the forum and the blogs, really, it's a discussion. It's a way of a discussion. There is some differences. It's up to you which way you prefer, a blog or a forum. It's up to you. And if you have any question, I am ready to answer your questions. Okay. We will continue then. Okay. 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 Okay, thank you. I will choose blogs if I want to give students more freedom to delete and yeah, and comment on each other. Yeah, it could be a good point of view. But as I said to you, if you want to restrict the posting, and if you don't want that the student post anything before your approval, okay, then you have to use the form instead of the blocks. Yes. In the blocks, you do not have control over the posting, student posting. Yeah, you do not have any control. Okay. Then, yeah, correct. Yes, but if you wish to control the post, yeah, permit or refuse. Okay. If you want, for example, if sometimes the student posts some idea that it is not permitted, okay, then you will not permit this post, okay, especially if you're discussing serious issues. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes the student will post something that it is not permitted, and okay, I prefer in this case the forum, yeah, instead of the blogs.